Hey guys, it's Candace. Just thought I would share with you. They came to repair the driveway today. Look who's in front of us, Blackie. And then of course they talked me into paying for this sealant that's supposed to help with the cracks and stuff that's coming, but it is under warranty, they said, for a year. Oops, sorry, that was Blackie. But, oh my gosh. Yep, so they blew the whole driveway off and put this glue first into all the cracks. And now they're spraying this black sealant, which seals the asphalt, which is supposed to get me up to 3 years. He says I should get 3 years. I said, well, you told me I'd get 5 out of the other thing if I had any problems. And he's like, well, you know, we just don't know. It's been real dry and blah 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 blah. I'm like, I understand, but you know, I just didn't expect all that. And then I had more today when we were walking it. So anyway, Blackie, you're so bad. So I just thought you would want to see them spraying with this black tar sealant junk on it. And they're going mighty fast. You know, by God, I expect a thick coating. Because I told him I will be one of those customers. Because I just, I don't appreciate having to pay more money. Granted, he gave me a discount, but it's the whole stinking point. I shouldn't have to spend what I spent today after what we just spent in July. But anyway, so fingers crossed. And then we can't drive on it for 12 hours. So I got the horses in the barn, so down there in the pasture, so they're not happy. But they got sweet feed, so... But well, anyway, all right. Well, I just thought I'd show you them back again working. So we'll have to go down on it. But can you see how wet it is? It's like shiny, like, you know, water. And then it seeps into all the little crevices and supposedly seals it, so that way when you have the hot and cold and rain and whatever, I don't know. Anyway, so hey Blackie, tell everybody hi. Let me zoom back out so they can see you. Hey Black, you can't see you. There you go. Show your eyes. Oh my gosh. All right guys, I know, see, the leaves are starting to turn colors. Yep. They're falling. I call it leaving because, you know, the leaves are falling. It's not snowing, it's leaving. But yeah. Oh goodness. All right, well, I'll see y'all later. Just thought I'd show you this quick little bonus. Bye guys.